This is Casper, the Friendly Ghost, and Wendy, the Good Little Witch in Ghosts and Witches. And this is a tempo book. And it sold for 95 cents. And it says Casper's done some pretty exciting things. So it lists several things here, and this is and now Casper's and paperback books just for you. And you can see here this Harvey famous cartoons. And the most recent date here is 1974. And Casper the Friendly Ghost in Trick versus Treat. And it says, Goody Goody Casper, imagine a ghost giving out treats instead of tricks on Halloween. There, I guess I'm all set. You can see in the back it says, okay, and millions of little kids and big kids and grown-ups of all sizes read his comic books and watch him on TV and shake his hand at super shopping malls and color his coloring books and sing and dance to his records and play with his toys and eat lots of the same food he likes. Why brag about Casper? All that goes for you too, Wendy. I'll just flip through so you can kind of see what it looks like. Thanks for watching.